Wilton Hunt over here. Very happy to see that more and more of you are monitoring your reviews on Google, Facebook, and Yelp, which is very important, right? Whenever somebody leave you a positive, negative review, you know that right away. And we kind of want to take you to the next level is what if they didn't leave you a review and they're out there talking good or bad about you, maybe on their own personal blog, right? So one good thing is you got to be using Google Alerts. With Google Alerts, anytime somebody mentions your brand name or your competitor's brand name, you get alerted right away, right? And these are on other people's website. So I'll give you an example here. So this Google Alerts, it's very easy to use and it's free. What I do is just go on google.com/alerts. And what you do is you just create an alert about. So you can see I put in my brand name in here, variations of mentioning of my brand name, and also my personal name. So what I would recommend is to put in your own brand name, variations of brand name if you're funeral home, different variations of your funeral home. And also put in all of your main employees' names in there. So that way, anytime mentions that employee's name, it will alert you. What I will also do is to put in all of your competitors' brand name in there. That way, whenever that funeral homes get picked up by a website, let's say they got a press release, anything like that, then you know right away. So I really think you should be making Google Alerts as your friend, right? Again, happy to see that you guys are starting to monitor your Google, Facebook, and Yelp reviews. And now you need to take it to the next level. Just use Google Alerts so that way you sleep better at night, knowing that anytime somebody mentions good or bad about your business, you know right away. Again, very simple. Just go on google.com/alerts. It's free. Just start putting in your own brand name, variations of your brand name, your competitors, and the key players in your team.